Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to join Telegram channel. So guys, now go to your any browser, then tap on the search bar and search Telegram channel. So guys, if you swipe down, you can see many Telegram channels link. You can enter whatever link you want, but the best link is this channel. Now if you again swipe down, then you can see there are many channels that you can join if you want. Now select any channel, one of your choice. So I am selecting this one. Now click on view channel and then just click on join. So guys, you can see that I have joined this channel very easily. So guys, that's it. That's how you can join Telegram channels very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.